I know they're labeled still. Oh, the one with the ladies? Hey, mental. No, I have those before. Because when I ran out of my registers, I had to buy theirs. It doesn't taste the same either.
Good morning, it's Sunday morning. We're in Sacramento Starbucks, getting ready for our trip. Just a little one day going down to Point Reyes Light House. Never been there before. One of the guys went there last Sunday, loved it, and he wants to take us back today, so we're heading down there. We've got 5 bikes. 2 are going to be turning around about halfway. It's Father Day's duties. Other than that, should have a nice ride. We're going to take 80 down to California 37, go north on 101 a little bit, and I think it's at Nevada. We then make our way out to the coast. So come along and enjoy the ride. So we stopped off in Novato. Palm Tree needed to get gas. So I guess everyone's coming straight through to Point Reyes Light House with us. And Chow and Tom are going to be heading home. But man, the roads are quiet. It's a little bit breezy out there, but it's always good on 2 wheels. Lovely day, lovely way to spend a Father's Day.
you went away, it came to a halt. Silence is everywhere, and you're not. And now I'm running like there's no tomorrow. My life was on a one-way track. This ain't a story about happy ending. Oh, I could set this world on fire. I could tear this town apart. I tried, but I could never be a part of you and your beautiful life. With a painted smile, I was the willow tree. You were the fire that burned me. Right till the end, we didn't know we lost. It's not easy living with my fingers crossed. You ran away from all the madness. You stumbled till you found your pace. I know now you were better off without me. I should set this world on fire. I should tear this town apart. I'm hurting just to feel my body. I'm breaking just to be apart. I tried, but I could never be a part of you and your beautiful life. Your beautiful life. Oh, I wish that I could ease your sorrow. I wish that I could ease your pain. This ain't a story about happy endings. We should set this world on fire. We should tear this town apart. Every breath makes me weak and tired. We should never be more than friends. I tried, but I could never be a part of you and your beautiful life. Your beautiful life.
Hey Hollywood, where you at?
I don't know.
Point Reyes Light House. Well, you're at Point Reyes. Just arrived at Point Reyes. Gonna walk down to the lighthouse. Very windy. Coming in, we just hit some sand before the parking lot. I nearly went down, and I think the others did too. But we all managed to save it somehow. still, we've got to go back that way, and I think the wind's blowing more sand, so it's going to be fun going home. We're going to walk down to the lighthouse and see what's going on. Oh, you gotta love the California coastline. PCH, only way to go, baby. Whatever, it's like
turn is kind of sharp right there though. What? It's a sharp turn, a sharp right.
Bro, I have a good handlebar now
who made your handlebars, Palm?
The
suspension, the one, the adjustable one, is really good. I see a lot of people have it.
What's that?
Suspension, rear suspension.
Yeah, oh, the Legends? Yeah. Yeah.
That's the one I put on.
You want one? Huh?
I put on.
No, you didn't?
Yeah.
No, you don't. You've got something else.
I got something else?
Yeah. It's not Legends. Because you got yours lowered.
Yeah.
Everything's fine. Wouldn't expect any more from this. The situation's in line with every story that I heard of the burning bliss, and I wait, trying to appreciate, and I wait, trying to evaluate. Was it something that I did? Was it something that I couldn't quite handle right? An invitation to a thrill, a growing comfort that somehow it will be alright. And I wait, trying to appreciate, and I wait, wanting to accommodate. I am changing.
Here's a couple of unusual items. Okay, so that was good. I had fish and chips like a true Englishman, and it was actually pretty good. Really nice spot to come eat, and now it's time to head home. So that's it for this trip, and yeah, we'll be leaving for Sturgis in 7 weeks. 7 weeks tomorrow, so we're excited about that. But thanks for joining us. Please like, subscribe, comment. That really would help my channel. And I have some personal goals I'm trying to get on this channel this year. So anyway, be safe, and we'll see you on the next one.